Okay guys, so for number 7. Okay, so what you need to understand is you have this formula here, right? Just remember this formula. NA union B is equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Okay, so what you need to do is for number 7A, all of them have the information in the questions are like these. NA is equals to 10, NB is equals to 15, and A union B is equals to 19. Okay, remember when you want to solve any questions, remember to write down the formula if there is any formula. Write down the formula like this one here, and then just plug in or substitute all of the numbers that you have in from the question for number 7A. And A is 10, I'm gonna put it here, and B is 15, I'm gonna put it here, and I have an A union B equals 19, I put it here. So it's just a simple algebra actually. It's just 19 equals to 10 plus 15 minus A intersection B. So we're looking for this. Okay, so 10 plus 15 is 25, right? So I'm gonna put this and put it here, becomes minus becomes positive, and this 19 positive becomes negative. So 29 minus 19 is equals to 6. So the same thing goes as for B, same thing. These are the information NA and B and NA intersection B. I write down the formula and then you put all of the numbers that information that you can plug into. Okay, so NA we have this one 11, and then NB we have 14, and NA intersection B which is equals to 5. So it's 11 plus 14 minus 5 equals to 20. Okay, for C, okay, what you need to understand is if it said that all of the students in the class, it means that this is the NA union B. So you combine all of them, it will be equals to 40. Okay, and then likes chocolate, let's say chocolate is A and candies is B. So if say 20 likes chocolate, it means that NA is equals to 20. If we say 28 like candies, then it means that NB is equals to 28. Okay, so like both candies, like both, it means that say candies and chocolate, it means that this and here, the word and, it means that it is the intersection. Okay, so what you are looking for is the intersection. Okay, you have all of this information, right? Again, write down the formula and then plug in all of the numbers that you have, like 40 in here, and then NA is here and NB is here, 28, right? So you're looking for this one here. So it's the same thing like you do for number 1, right? Same thing. Okay, so you put all of them, and then 40 is equals to 20 plus 28 minus NA intersection B. So this, I'm going to put it to the other side of the equal sign, so minus becomes positive, and this one goes here, positive becomes minus, right? 20 plus 28 minus 40 is equals to 8. Okay, the last one for number 3 and number 7D. Okay, so again, you write down the things that you know from the information from the questions. There are 100 people in the video, so it means that NA union B is equals to 100. So this is the union. If it's say all of them, means that this is the union. And then 40 as the formula, let's say farmer is A, so it means that this is NA. And then 10 as farmer and fisherman, is said that and this word here means that this is the intersection. So the NA intersection B is 10. Okay, so we don't have any NB, right? So what we need to find first is the fishermen. How many are there? How many fishermen are there in the village? Okay, so you write down the formula again like this, and then you plug in all of the information, like this one 100 right in here, and then NA is 40, and then we don't know the NB yet, or the how many fishermen are there, and then we have NA intersection B, you put it here, right? So I'm gonna change, so 40 minus 10 is 30, right? And then I'm gonna put this here, so it's 100 minus 30. 100 minus 30 is equals to 70. So the question is, so how many villagers that is only a fisherman? So if I draw it into a Venn diagram, it will look like this. Okay, sorry, I don't have any. So we have this, right? Okay, so all of them have 100. It means that if I combine all of them, it should be 100. So the first thing that you must write is the intersection in here. What you know is the farmer and the fisherman is 10, right? Let's say this is farmer, this is fisherman, right? So it's said that the farmer is 40, but since there are 10 people here, so the the people that works only as a farmer is 40 minus 10, so it's equals to 30. So it's here is 30. So what this 30 means is that the 30 villagers works only as a farmer. So this 10 is works as a farmer and a fisherman. It's same goes to the fisherman here. So as we know that the amount of people that work as a fisherman, there are 70. But since 10 of them works also as a farmer, it means that the people that are working as a fisherman is 70, only as a fisherman is 70 minus 10, so which is equals to 60, right? Okay, so if I close this is farmer, right? As you know, farmer is 30 plus 10, which is equals to 40 in here, right? Sorry, this one here, farmer. And then so if I put it here, if I want to know how many fishermen are there, it's like 10 plus 60, which is equals to 70, right? So because it said that only fishermen, it means that you only need to take this one here, this one here. This is only fishermen. So the only fishermen, the people that works only as a fisherman, there are NB, which is this one, minus the intersection, which is equals to 70 minus 10 equals to 60.